All right, welcome to Wes's Fix-It Shop. Today we're going to change the display on a Dell Inspiron 15. I've already taken it apart, but so I'll just walk you through the basic ideas. Take something, a soft plastic item, pull up the corner, and you can just run it along, or run your fingers along, and you run along all the edges, and then you can take off the bezel. Next, you want to, it works easiest if you take out these two screws. They're very small. Find a safe place for them. Where to go? Oh, it stayed in the... And the reason you want to take these two screws out is so that it's easier to take the holding frame off of the screen. Now there will be two-sided tape behind, and then you carefully work it off. Just start at the top and work it off, and you'll be left with this. It might bend a little bit, but that's fine because you'll be putting the screws back in, so it'll... And then there's a piece at the bottom here where you need to just flip up the little lever or the little bar, and then you can just pull it out and your screen will come out. What you'll want to do next is they have a number on here. For ours it was NV156FHM-N3D, and when you look that up on the website, you will be able to get the exact screen that you want so you can replace it. I did not order the tape because I did not feel like I needed 180 feet of tape. However, I need to find some other tape, but we're going to try it this way and see if we can reuse it as is. So I got my new screen in the mail. They packaged it very nicely, and there's a film on here that you need to remove. It's just a protective film, and that way you're ready to install it. And it says at the bottom here that you're not supposed to touch that, so we won't touch it. So what we'll do is we'll take the film and we'll just lay it on here for the moment. The screen down on here, and then this little cable that we unplugged before. It's a 30-pin cable, so it carries a lot of data. Okay, there we go. Takes a little bit of jiggling around, but I'm going to pull it in so it's nice and snug. Gently pull it in. Our cable had a bit of tape on there, so we'll just put the tape down again so that it helps keep that bar down, because that bar is what holds it together. Put your cable back into the holding spots. Roll your screen up. And it should fit onto those bars. And you can put your screws back in. Like I said, ideally we should have put on some new tape, but we're going to try it this way. You just have to do it snug. It doesn't have to be super tight. Okay, so the screen is in the right place. Now take your basil and you can start at the bottom. It just snaps into place. And just work it back on. And there we go. Now we should we'll test it to see if it works. Works perfectly. And there we have a new screen installed in about 10-15 minutes. Very nice sharp picture. We opted for the extra, the step up on screens was another $2.50, and it seems like it gives a nice sharp picture. And that's it. We're ready to go.